idea what you're talking about.
It was her idea, but I approve.
Uh-oh. His tail's frozen! Astrid! No, go back! Astrid?
Over here. Hiccup, I'm freezing.
Come here. Where are the dragons? Toothless?
Stormfly? Yeah.
I see daylight.
We're gonna get out of here.
Look what they did.
They saved our lives.
So we're good now.
Good as new.
Ow!
For them, we would have frozen to death.
You know what? You could have used your own bodies to keep each other warm.
Who would do that?
That's crazy.
Hey, Astrid.
There's something Mildew said that I can't stop thinking about. He said, see what happens when you leave your dragon to wait outside? He knew Toothless wasn't with me just before the armory fire. So he lives on the other side of the island. What was he doing in town? And how would he know where we were before the fire?
You really think he set that fire?
I think he did all of it. And I think he did it so my dad would get rid of all the dragons.
That's a pretty serious accusation. How are you gonna prove it? Look, Fishlegs is right. Even if Mildew did throw them in the ocean, they're not just gonna wash up on shore here.
What? You were saying? Pound man.
At least you got your dad on a dragon.
Yeah, now I just need to figure out how to get him off one.
Why don't you just give him the old honey and the hatchet? You know, you tell him something he wants to hear, that's the honey part, before you hit him in the head with something he doesn't. You know, the hatchet.
Why does your advice always involve weapons? My father likes that painting better than the real me. I mean, think about it. Even my name. You know it's Viking tradition to call the runt of the litter a hiccup.
Come on, little Hiccup. Oh, hey, Hiccup.
See? What do I have to do to get my father to accept me?
He does accept you. He just accepts the painting more.
Hey.
You're gonna go after this no matter what I say, right? So yeah, pretty great.
So, you're not gonna give me a hard time about this?
Oh, I'll give you a hard time. Every step of the way. Besides, I can't let you go with just them. Whoa, hey! What are you doing?
It's not me! Toothless. Are you okay, bud? Toothless? Maybe he's got a cold or something. Do dragons get colds?
Whoa, look at that. Well, whatever it is, looks like he's got it too. We're meeting tomorrow to work on our times. Unless you want Stormfly to be the fastest one in the Book of Dragons.
Yeah, that's definitely not gonna happen. We will be there. Okay?
You have got to be kidding me. Lesson? Apparently, just her. Uh-oh. Looks like there's another hen in the rooster house.
Uh-oh. Yeah, another rooster in the hen house. Wait, what?
Nothing. She thinks I'm jealous, which is completely ridiculous.
Oh, right. Wait, of who? Of me? Wait, am I the rooster or the hen?
Trust me, the last thing I am is jealous.
Top of the morning, class. How's everyone doing today?
Oh, nice of you to show up.
What? Oh, you were supposed to meet up. I'm so sorry.
So, Heather, sleep well? Very well. Thank you, Astrid. So, this... I don't think we should be showing her all our dragon secrets.
Astrid, it's fine.
I just don't trust her. You shouldn't either.
Well, I do, and you should trust me.
Say something? I am so sorry, Hiccup. I was cleaning up your room and I found the book. I couldn't help myself.
It's okay, Heather.
It's okay? What do you mean, okay? She's reading the Book of Dragons.
Astrid, come on, lighten up.
Me? She's the one sneaking around, looking at our stuff.
Really? Sneaking around? What are you talking about?
I'm talking about last night, near my house. That was me. I couldn't sleep, so I went for a walk. I was having terrible nightmares.
I can imagine.
Is this really happening?
Okay, Astrid, that's enough.
You're right, Hiccup. It is.
I'm sorry about that.
No, I'm sorry. I was wrong to look at your...
Wait, oh, what? Why would you do that? What are you doing?
Saving our butts. I just saw Heather talking to Savage. She's working with the outcasts.
What? She's upstairs sleeping.
Oh, yeah? Let's go find out. Hey, guys. Is everything okay?
Yes, Heather. Everything's fine. Astrid, don't you think it's possible you saw something else? I mean, it's pretty dark out there.
I know what I saw. The girl is not who you think she is.
So who is she then?
I don't know. Nobody knows. She just mysteriously washed up on our beach. You don't find that strange?
No, because her ship was taken over by pirates. Her whole island is under siege.
The only thing under siege is your brain. You're not thinking clearly.
Oh, really? Me?
Hiccup, the outcast could be attacking any minute.
Astrid, if there's one thing I know, it's this. Heather is not working for the outcasts. Sure about this?
No, but it's our only chance.
We'll be shadowing you from the sky.
I don't need shadowing.
Just in case, it'll make me feel better.
Fine, just stay out of sight. If Alvin sees you, it'll all be over.
Don't worry about us. Just get the book and get out of there. We'll be waiting. Hey, Astrid. Be safe.
Oh, you little...
Astrid!
Surrender, or I'll... Well, you know the rest.
Do it, bud.
Hiccup, don't shoot!
Who is that?
Just a new friend I made. Up.
Oh, he's crumbling under the pressure. I can feel it. What?
You know what I always liked about you, Hiccup? You were always a gracious loser. Who knew you'd be such a lousy winner?
Oh, what?
I know what you did.
Yeah, I lost, as usual.
No, you threw the race.
I have no idea what you're talking about, Astrid. Snotlout was just the better Viking today.
No, Hiccup. No one was a better Viking than you today.
Yep.
In the cove for now.
They'll just find him. No, we have to leave.
We?
He can't make it on his own, and I wouldn't want him to. I'm going with him, Astrid.
But you'll come back, right?
Yeah, eventually. When they all realize this didn't happen because of Toothless.
You better go.
Where's that boy? And more importantly, where's the dragon?
I don't know, Mildew, but you got your wish. Hiccup and Toothless are gone.
Fly me up.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Sure, that's a strong word. It's really more of a hunch. I'll be fine. Go.
Oh boy.
Go, please? We don't know how much time we have.
Don't worry, Hiccup. We'll find him.
There, down below.
Hiccup,
our health from up there.
Thanks, Astrid.
Toothless? Plasma blast.
Good job, bud. Smile.
Not bad. Stormfly, spine shot. Well, that's better than last time. Soggy alone place? Ugh.
Yeah, I really don't want to know any of that. Fine. Okay, let's go. We're out of time.
So, why?
Okie dokie. We'll start in the West Islands and work our way back.
Back from where?
Just a quick spin around the island.
Uh-huh. Quick spin, huh? With enough food to feed Snotlout's whole family?
Do I hear my name? Ooh, do I see a salmon?
All right. Look, if you must know,
And we must.
I'm going to do something for my father. Okay. Trader Johann is bringing something for him, something important, and he should have been here by now.
You're not trading this fish, are you? Because it's delicious. Hey!
Leave!
I need to go alone. If we all disappear, my dad'll get suspicious.
Go alone. You without us? Like you could handle anything if we weren't there to bail you. Oh!
All right, fine. You two can come, but that's it. Don't even tell the others. Heed my warning. I am serious.
On ship.
Wow. He really got off course.
Fog monster.
Okay, it's a little weird.
So is that.
Okay, let's just start looking for the chest, and quickly, that really doesn't sound like friendly scraping.
It's coming after us!
Hi! In there! Nobody. Breathe.
I just want you to know I love you guys.
Hey, guys. Need a chest?
It's gone. I just had it.
Too bad, so sad. See you back at Burke.
On you guys. That chest is from his mom.
Yeah, touching story. Gotta go.
Put yourself in his shoes.
Shoot.
Ugh, what if it was your mother?
I hate you. And this does not mean we're really friends.
Thank you, guys. I mean it. Now let
Astrid. Well, I don't think it's really fair for me to be fighting. When you're in a situation like this, it's best to remain calm and take deep breaths. When that's not an option, I would advise playing dead. Just like that. Well done, Hiccup. Good form, Astrid.
You okay?
Never been better. Shoulders should pop back into place in no time.
Snotlout.
Just saying.
Look, it doesn't matter whose fault it is.
There you are. Hey, check out my natters. I finally got them flying in perfect formation.
Wow, yeah, that's great.
Hiccup?
I've just been thinking. Stormfly has other natters. Hookfang has a whole herd of monstrous nightmares, and Toothless has no one.
He has you. And he looks pretty happy if you ask me.
You know what I mean.
Hiccup, Toothless will be fine. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Your father and Gobber are looking for you. They want to see you in the Great Hall. They looked serious.
Yeah, great. Happy Bork Week to me.